UAV regulations and laws. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are becoming increasingly popular as technology advances and the drone market continues to expand globally. UAVs, also known as drones, are utilized in various industries, including photography, film, agriculture, and surveying, to name a few. Despite their many benefits, there are UAV regulations and laws in place that restrict how and where these devices can fly. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is the regulatory agency responsible for regulating UAVs in the U.S. The agency oversees commercial and recreational drone usage through Part 107 of the Federal Aviation Regulations, FAR. Part 107 outlines the rules for flying small unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, which are drones that weigh less than 55 pounds, for commercial purposes in the U.S. Part 107 requires commercial drone pilots to obtain a Remote Pilot Airman Certificate, which requires passing a written test and obtaining a background check. Additionally, drones are required to be registered with the FAA and are subject to strict maintenance and inspection schedules to ensure their safe operation. The FAA also enforces a set of airspace regulations that apply to all drone pilots, whether they are commercial or recreational. UAVs are not allowed to exceed 400 feet in altitude or fly within 5 miles of an airport without prior approval. Pilots must also maintain visual line of sight with their UAV at all times and are prohibited from flying over congested areas or people not participating in the operation of the drone. In addition to federal regulations, there are also state, local, and international drone laws that drone pilots must consider when flying their UAVs. For example, California recently passed legislation on requiring drone pilots to obtain explicit consent from property owners before flying over private property. Similarly, some countries require visitors to obtain permission from government agencies before flying drones. In Europe, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, has developed a common set of rules for drones as part of the European Union Aviation Safety Regulations, UASR. The regulations apply to both commercial and recreational drone usage and provide a common set of standards for operators throughout the European Union. The UASR directs all drone owners and operators to register their drones and obtain appropriate certification, although the exact process varies between different countries. Commercial operators are required to complete training and obtain a certificate of competency before they can operate drones. One of the significant issues surrounding UAV regulations and laws is the privacy and safety of individuals. Drones equipped with cameras can capture images and video footage that could potentially infringe on individual privacy rights. Additionally, a malfunctioning drone could cause significant damage to property and even lead to physical injuries. Several privacy and safety regulations have been put in place to address these concerns. For example, the UASR requires that commercial operators must have third-party liability insurance. In the U.S., several states have passed laws prohibiting users from recording private property without consent. Similarly, several states require drones to be equipped with anti-collision warning lights for AD safety. UAV technology is rapidly advancing, and drone enthusiasts are eagerly waiting for what comes next. With the increasing number of drones taking to the skies, regulating their operations is crucial too. Guarantee the safety and privacy of everyone involved. As drones become more accessible, it is essential to maintain the balance between their benefits and the potential risks. UAV regulations remain An irrelevant topic as more people continue to invest in these devices. One way to ensure the safe and responsible operation of WAVs is through education. Both commercial and recreational drone pilots must understand the rules and regulations governing drone operation. They must also familiarize themselves with the UAV's capabilities to ensure their safe operation. Moreover, UAV regulations would be more effective if the creation and implementation of the laws were more collaborative. Regulators must work with drone manufacturers to incorporate safety features in the design of WAVs. Manufacturers can provide valuable insights and suggestions on features and improvements they can make in future products. By involving the stakeholders in the process of creating the laws, it becomes more likely that the laws are beneficial to everyone. One challenge that regulators still face is keeping up with the rapidly evolving UAV technology. As the drone market continues to expand rapidly, regulators must remain up to date with new development. And technologies. They must assess the risks posed by each new innovation and determine whether the existing regulatory frameworks can handle them adequately. Another area of consideration for UAV regulation is the use of drones in urban areas. The use of drones in metropolitan areas raises new security and safety concerns, as the high concentration of in cities means that there is a higher likelihood of accidents and incidents. Moreover, urban environments have many sensitive buildings, such as government buildings and hospitals, which require special consideration for their use. Therefore, drone pilots must ensure that they comply with local laws, regulations, and guidelines when operating in urban areas. As the drone industry grows, there is also a corresponding increase in demand for drone-related services such as drone maintenance and repair. With the increasing number of drones in operation, drone-related accidents and incidents are also expected to rise. Consequently, drone maintenance and repair services will play a significant role in ensuring the continued safe operation of WAVs. In addition to commercial applications, WAVs have also been used for humanitarian purposes. WAVs can provide critical assistance in disaster response, search and rescue operations, and delivery of medical supplies to areas that are difficult to reach. Additionally, they can be used for environmental monitoring, wildlife conservation, and mapping remote areas, making WAVs a vital tool across a array of industries. Despite the many benefits of WAVs, there are also downsides to their use. There is concern that WAVs could displace some jobs in logistics and delivery, leading to increased automation and job loss. Additionally, the use of WAVs in the military has raised ethical concerns and calls for stricter regulations on their use in combat operations. In the U.S., the military is already using drones in combat operations, while law enforcement agencies and governments use them for surveillance purposes. These uses have triggered a public debate on the ethical implications of using unmanned systems in conflict zones, especially given the potential for civilian casualties. Unmanned aerial vehicles, WAVs, also known as drones, are increasingly becoming popular due to the continuous expansion of the drone market and technological advancements. These devices are utilized in various industries such as photography, film, agriculture, and surveying, among others, thanks to their many benefits. Nevertheless, UAV regulations and laws have been put in place which defines where and how these devices can fly. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is the regulatory agency responsible for regulating WAVs in the U.S. The commercial and recreational drone usage is overseen through Part 107 of the Federal Aviation Regulations, FAR. Part 107 outlines the rules for flying small unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, which are drones that weigh less than 55 pounds, for commercial purposes. To fly a drone commercially in the U.S., Part 107 requires commercial drone pilots to obtain a remote pilot airman certificate, pass a written test, and obtain a background check. Additionally, drones must be registered with the FAA and are subject to strict maintenance and inspection schedules to guarantee their safe operation. Other than federal regulations, there are state, local, and international drone laws that UAV pilots must consider. For instance, California recently passed legislation requiring drone pilots to obtain explicit consent from property owners before flying over private property. Similarly, some countries require visitors to obtain permission from government agencies before flying drones. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, has developed a common set of rules for drones as part of the European Union Aviation Safety Regulations, UASR, in Europe. The regulations apply to c. commercial and recreational drone usage and provide a common set of standards for operators throughout the European Union. All drone operators in the European Union are directed to register their drone and obtain proper certification, although the exact process differs between different countries. Commercial operators are required to complete training and obtain a certificate of competency before they can operate drones. Privacy and safety are significant issues surrounding UAV regulations and laws. Drones equipped with cameras can capture images and footage that could potentially infringe on individual privacy rights. In addition, a malfunctioning drone could result in significant property damage or even physical injuries.